Now we are planning, Government of India, Narendra Modi garu is planning Vikasit Bharat 2047. As on today, we are fourth largest economy. For the last 10 years, from 11th place, we are able to reach fourth place. By 27-28, we are going to reach third largest economy in the world. I am assuring you, India is going to become developed nation. Our aim is to become number one economy in the world by 2047. That is our mission. That is our vision. We are working in that direction. Today, again I am telling you, we are inspiring time. I have seen technology. I promoted mid-1990s, that is 95 onwards, information technology. Now, 25 years time, the impact of public policy, if you can go through, all over the world, every 4 IT professionals, one is from India. Among Indians, out of 4, more than 1 or 2, more or less equally from Andhra Pradesh, from Telugu community.